Whakaalo Whātuma Kau, welcome back. I'm here in the Orohu Trinity Church again. We just got a workshop on genealogy. Yeah, it's a good workshop. They're talking about the Leviki Mangawhaua and what it means and what's the role. It's pretty good workshop. If you didn't come, I'm not sure what I can say and what I can't say, but what I will say, it's a good turnout. There's a lot of people in there, and we are just learning from the old heads what's the role of a Leviki, who can be a Leviki, and what's expected of a Leviki, and who to approach to, who do you go to find all that stuff. So we're midway through. It's 11:30, and we're almost getting ready for lunch. Lots of lot of emotions in there, lots of learning, and yeah, it's cool. So I just came off for some fresh air because it's getting pretty hot in there.
I'm doing my living.
University of Auckland, seeing mental health. Kai JP molea ba te JP hapu. Molea se ko fu to. Hapu ne JP.
Hello. Kau ela kau ke tau ni ko to mai ke ma ya. Kau ela mai ke wi na ko mai ke ra ka ke to ke ma ya ni. Kau ke to mo to kau to kai. Ko ha ni kau ko ya. Tu flora hai ya si tu ke mo ya ha la o ai ni e ha ku a fino te he ne ka te ha ni to no ko te he do ni we ke to ha e ko ni ma ku ha ha de ti mo e o ke ka to ni ma wi na la ni ka New Zealand Justice of the Peace Association si to le to a ke ke no ba ha ayo si ta ala ko do ya to ora yo fia no me ma ne que preveia ai a to ya ko e to chulo
kalau kalau ni kalau kalau tak semua sampai kamu ni mau ni Chris oleh hak wemo siori kau dia tu leki hanyang
yeah
tu tanya mai mama dia kai tu Aku fia, mai mama bolos.
yeah
Tua se moi ban. Le que eu vou te pedir, muito me conhecer. Na kai ko na rua como ko na rua uka. E 12 horas na mahawa luna, onge hia te mui mai kai au ke no tro na ko. E que saímos para o oi te para o tro. Vai vai tau Samoa, Tonga, Cook Island. La canana do tro onge ai o ko ha. When I go, it's a very confidential job. Now, I came out talking about the law. You don't get down to the same when it came out to also the Monua to if you got Manako, the Monua, the High Court in Manukau. But when I'm a happy man, get a time away. Nina.
Well, all done, all over. Good class. One thing, I met this old school bodybuilder, Cyrus Asakona. Man, I didn't realize it was him because I've never met him before until he said his name. So that was cool. The OG bodybuilder, but he does a lot of church work now, and I think he helps people quit smoking. But yeah, that was cool. Learned a lot about genealogy and who to talk to find out stuff about your family and your family tree. Always all good. Food is always good. Shout out to Inga and his wife. It was tasty, and yeah, looking forward to the next event. So I'll be going to Niue, hopefully in this year, sometime soon, and can just see what to talk about there, or see if I can use it. Yeah, just to find out like family and who's your family and who you're tied to. Yep. Hope you guys are doing well. The weather here in New Zealand's bad now. It's lots of raining. It's April now. Anzac Day coming up. Yeah, man. Yeah. Okay. Koe kia.